Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 34 of chapter Biomolecules. Which part of an amino acid reacts to form a peptide bond? ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅಮಿನೋ ಆಸಿಡ್ ನ ಯಾವ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಪೆಪ್ಟೈಡ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ನೋ ದಟ್ ಪೆಪ್ಟೈಡ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ is bond formed between two amino acids. And between which parts? Yes, COOH. One is COOH, another one is NH2. Illi CONH is formed. This is called peptide bond. Idanna peptide bond anta karitivi. So, option A, amino and carboxyl group. Is it correct? Yes. Option A is correct. Amino and carboxyl group is correct. Option B, side chain and amino group. Wrong. This is wrong answer. Carboxyl and side chain. Wrong. Option D, only carboxyl group. This is also wrong. Example ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ book ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ NH2 CH2 COOH. This is one, that is glycine plus NH2 C CH CH3 COOH COH ಇವೆರಡು ಸೇರಿ minus H2O dehydration ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So the bond formed is NH2 CH2CO NH CH CH3 COOH. See, this is peptide bond formed between carboxylic acid and amino group. Thank you.